Credit goes to Sandesh for this click, and lava was not in my original list. So 7 a.m. I was ready, and I was playing with the doggos in Eden. 10th November 2025. First, my mother was clicking these videos.
চড়া হবে কোত্থেকে? যা ছিল তাই আছে। না না, এদিকে পাহাড় মাঝে মাঝে ভেঙেছে, এই যে এগুলো এদিকে তাকা একটু, তাকা গাড়িটা তোলো। কেন তুলবে?
কে বলে আমার বাবা হাসে না কেন, but actually it is his happy face when he is traveling. Lava and Kolakam road was really good for long drive also. So we are going towards Lava Monastery. And always front seat is my permanent seat when I was traveling. So, and without song long drive it's not possible. We need to find some place, so I was working as a navigator. Basically I'm a very good navigator for this long drive, and I think my mother clicked this video. Sandesh is very knowledgeable like Sumanji, so I had a really good chit chat with him. My mom clicked this selfie later, she told me. And here we can see the lava monastery there going towards that road. The road was really awesome towards the lava monastery. When I'm traveling, I cannot keep quiet. I ask so many questions to local guide or the driver. Even they happily they give me information about the roads. So in the next video, you can see the lava monastery. So stay tuned with Madhurma's Kitchen and Madhurma's YouTube channel. Hope you're enjoying like me. Lava. This is the place, and from here we will go to Lava Monastery. So there is the Lava Monastery. And finally I clicked the picture of three of us finally. So a selfie, and then I'm really thankful to Sandesh. He clicked a beautiful picture like this. So stay tuned for the next video.